Okay, so what we have here is the Turbo Rasp. We're going to do a tutorial on how to use it, and what you can see is we have a 4-foot rasp, 2-foot rasp, and a 1-foot rasp. So what we're showing here is the 2-foot Turbo Rasp, and as you can see, if you rasp it in a vertical motion, you get these really deep grooves, and that's not the way the rasp is intended to be used. What you want to do is you want to put it on an angle, and you want to use a sweeping motion, or you can go up and down with an angle to be able to get a flat plane without the deep grooves. And you want to use an angle with a sweeping motion, 2 hands, even pressure, and that'll give you a flat wall, like I said. And what we have here is the 1-foot Turbo Rasp. You can see how it easily fits in your hand. But once you turn it on its angle, it's a lot easier to manipulate, and it gives you that flat, true wall.